Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful guide on how to delete the viruses or the virus in your computer. Okay, so let's start the process by locating our cursor here in the Windows icon, then do a right click, then go to run, and then here you need to type for clean mgr. Once done, you need to hit OK. And now it will show you here a new window. Here you need to mark all of these files. These are junk files that needs to be deleted in your computer. So in my case, if I delete this, my device or my disk space will free up to 2.14 MB. Okay? Just simply hit on OK and then delete files. Now it's starting to clean. Just keep those folders that are denied and then continue. Okay? So the next step is we need to go back to the run. Just simply do a right click again, run, and then type for temp. Then click on OK. And then here you will be redirected to this new window. And in my case, my folder is already empty since I have just done cleaning earlier. So if in your case you have a bunch of files here listed in this window, just simply click anywhere and do Control A to select all and then click this trash bin here to delete. Okay? So the next step is we need to go back again to run and then type for percentage temp percentage and then click on OK. After this, you will be redirected or you can see a lot of files here. As you can see it in my computer. All you have to do is click on anywhere, Control A, then select this trash bin to delete and just keep those file in use. And now it's 100% completed. Okay? So let's proceed to the next step, which is let us go back again to the run and then type INET dot CPL, then hit on OK. And once you're being redirected to this new window, just simply locate advanced. And here you need to make sure that this browsing activity are marked. So what I mean is you just have to mark mark this to disable script debugging, enable FTP folder. But in case you have favorite, menu in your browser, just have to import that because this will completely delete all your browsing history. Okay? Then click on OK. So the next step and the last step is we are going to search for malware bytes here in Google Chrome. So the thing about malware bytes is it's a device that will completely protect your computer. Let's search here and then go to this first option and then click this. And one good thing about this is it's free, so you don't need to pay anything. And then just simply hit this free download. And once it is downloaded, just double tap it and then you are good to go. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.